Hello, Cardinals. Do you have imagination, or do you ever thinking about life at the sea? One of the first question that I think about it is how long are seafarers' contract? Uh, we are working at the sea. There is no one around the sea except water and wave. This is very difficult, but you need to know how long the seafarers contract. And I think the contract length vary depending on your rank. Also type of the vessels and the company, it's different. But here's a general idea. And for officers and engineers, contract is usually ranks from 3 to 6 months, and the rating and other crew members may have a contract from 6 to 9 months. uh, yeah, different ships, different rules. Cruise ship often have a shorter contract. Like in the row packs, maybe you will get 50 days on and 50 days off for the engineers, and for the officers. I'm sorry, and for rating, you will get like a 2 month or 3 months contract. And well, tankers and bulk carriers may require a longer commitment, like 5 months or 6 months. And yeah, some companies offer a rotation system, like two on board and two off boards. Two on board and two off or in the home. That is meaning you return to the same ship after a break. Like 2 months on board, and you have a break like 2 months, and after 2 months you can on board again in the sea. 2 months also. Yeah, this is great for career opportunity. So we have time to recovery and take a rest after you are 2 months on board. So it's not so it's make you not doing a stress or frustration, because too long contract in the vessels. There is no one in the sea. Only you and your friend in the ship, and of course the water. Yeah. Yeah, I think life at the sea is a balance of work and rest. Yeah, no, you need to know your contract, plan ahead, and make the most of your time. So both on board and at home, so you have a balance in your life. Yeah. Follow us for more seafarer career tips, and please like, subscribe, and share to your friend if you think this is important for you. Okay, bye bye.